morning.
Hello, my name is Vicki Thompson. I'm 71 years old and I'm from Prosper, Texas, and I've been traveling with the Red Rock Caravan, and I'm also a gym rat. So I've been a Jackery girl since day one. I don't like taking weights with me, so I use my Jackeries to do my exercises.
I can't wait to see.
Okay, well, we'll start with the light stuff. Okay. For the lightweight arm workouts, I use my Jackery 300. So
That's not 300 pounds though, right?
No, not 300 pounds. But I do, bicep curls. I do arm extensions like this.
Yes.
I do tricep kickbacks.
Wow, that looks hard.
Yeah, nah.
Do you know how much that weighs?
No, maybe 5 pounds. It's not heavy. And I do triceps.
Ah.
I do kettlebell swing.
This lady knows what she's doing. Look
So,
how fit she
that's
is.
just
I mean,
a
come
few.
on. Look how fit she is.
That's just a few of the ones I do. So with the heavier weight, my Jackery 1000.
Yeah, it may weigh 30 or 40 pounds. You think?
No, I don't think it weighs any, maybe.
Really? Okay.
Yeah. But with this one, I like to do what we call a farmer's walk. You just walk with the weight in your hand, and then you switch coming back.
I bet that feels good on your shoulder to
It
stretch
does, it
everything.
kinda pulls, yeah.
Yeah.
I also do these on each side. I do deadlifts, so you're down and then you just lift up. I also do this with a row. Like that.
So that's a deadlift and then up into a row?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. I also do squats with this. I have to kind of hold it this way so it'll go, but I do squats with this. And again, you can do it with the row. So there's lots of things you can do with these.
So I think it probably helps to know what the correct movement is, don't you think?
Yeah. You want to have proper form.
That's it.
And
yeah.
so people who work out a lot know proper form.
Right.
And so you can use it. You can use a milk jug. You can use a can of beans. I mean,
Yes.
there's all kinds of things you can use. But I thought it would be fun just to show. I use my Jackeries. So
Do you do some stretching too?
I do stretches. Yeah. When you've been driving all day,
Yeah.
you've been sitting. But I stretch my hamstrings a lot. I come out and do these. I do a lot of these.
Yeah, pushing outward on your knees.
Pushing outward, all of this.
And
Yeah, but
inside.
there's all kinds of stretches you can do. But, if you have a Planet Fitness card and you go and get your showers there, they have a little 30-minute workout area
Yes.
with weights. And they're also happy to show you how to do things properly as well.
Oh, that's nice. Now, you've been exercising and staying fit a long
My
time. This
whole
is
life,
not
yes.
something new for you.
No, I've always worked out doing something.
Right.
But yeah, my muscles just feel horrible if I'm not working out. Or
The
doing
rest of us do too.
Yeah.
We just aren't keeping up with that. But now that I have more time, I am going to be able to slowly work myself up to
Yeah.
do some things. I've never been much on weightlifting, more stretching and dancing, and walking and that kind of thing. But
Well,
I think that weights would be a good thing to add for an
weights
older
are a
person,
good thing to
wouldn't they?
add, and it doesn't have to be heavy weights. When
Yeah.
I'm at the gym, I'm using a lot heavier weights.
Right.
But on the road, I don't want to take 5 and 10 pounds with me. So these Jackeries have been great.
And they've got that handle.
Yeah, the handle's pretty good. Yeah,
Yeah, those handles are a little easier than some of the newer ones where the handles go down and lay
Yes,
down.
and disappear.
Those are more square.
Yeah, I've
in
had
my
these.
experience.
I've had these since I started, and I started traveling 5 years ago, and they've been great. I
Yeah.
love my Jackeries.
So your advice kind of is use what you've got, even if it's a can of beans.
Yeah, use what you've got and just do a little something. You don't
Yeah.
have to do a whole blown workout. You
Right.
know, just something to let your muscles know that they need to be worked and stretching and things, especially when we're driving
Right.
a lot.
So we are at a Cracker Barrel.
Yeah.
Definitely at a Cracker Barrel.
And you can work out anywhere.
Anywhere,
At the
I
Cracker
mean-
Barrel parking lot.
I mean, look at that highway. I know you've been here in the highway there, so you can definitely. So if you're on the road, then where? If you're not at a gym, if you're not at Planet Fitness, where would you do it? Just somewhere beside your
Just
car?
beside the
Anywhere? Yeah, that's
Yeah.
great.
Yeah, you don't have to be anywhere. I
No.
mean, maybe people might look at you funny.
They're jealous.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, but no, I just do it beside the car. If it's raining, I'm in the car. I'm just sitting in my seat, and I'm doing bicep
Doing
curls.
something.
Can't do a lot for legs, but I can do some bicep curls.
And it's best if you can keep it up too. Keep up with it.
Yes.
Not wait several weeks behind, then it's harder to catch up, isn't
Well,
it?
it really is.
Yeah.
Because I got slack here a while back, and I went back home, went back to the gym, and it was like starting over. I was so sore.
What do you think about going just to like a city park to do it? It would be less obvious than in a Walmart parking lot, maybe.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Parks are great. In fact, you can put a towel on the table, and you can do leg lifts, and you can do sit-ups. There's a lot of things you can do at the park, for
Yeah.
sure.
And use the picnic table to do sit and stand for those of me who
Yeah.
like to develop those muscles. Just sit and stand, right? What would you
exactly.
call that? Is there a name
Sit
for
and
that?
stand.
Sit
I
and
don't know
stand.
a name for it. That sounds like a good name, though.
For
but
somebody
yeah.
like me with hip issues, that's something I've been thinking about. That
Exactly.
I need I mean, I can't do it in the car seat, so
Yeah.
I would think something like that would help.
Yeah, actually, when you're sitting on the bench, you can just kind of do leg lifts.
Yeah.
Just do, when you're sitting in a sitting position, just lift your legs. So that's working some stuff too. So
Right.
there's a lot of things you can do.
You've been hanging out in parks lately on our trip,
Yeah.
haven't
Yeah.
you? Found some really nice parks. What'd you do at the park?
Well, mostly just walk with Ruby, the dog, and but some parks have little exercise stations along the way.
I forgot about that.
you can do. So
Yeah.
there's things out there.
Yeah. Well, I appreciate you showing us this.
Well, you're welcome.
Yeah, you've been a great traveler along the way here and an inspiration for me to get back in shape.
There you go. Yeah.
Okay, great, Vicki. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.